Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me get the table topic for today. The table topic for today is ill health begins in the mind. Ill health begins in the mind. Ill health begins in the mind. What does this phrase mean to you? According to me, this means that sometimes your health, ill health, doesn't have to be physical. It can be mental too. Your thoughts, and maybe you might be stressed and then thinking too much, and then you your health is deteriorating. But if you always have the idea that health is only physical, then you are wrong. Health means better health means it's emotional health and your physical health, and there are multiple aspects to it. So why does it matter that we talk about that, this mental health? Why does it have we say that it begins in the mind? If we know that ill health begins in the mind, then we can start taking care of it, right? When we know that ill health begins in the mind, we try to think it a different way. We will think that sometimes it happens that we do not believe that mental health is an issue, and people have this stigma attached to it, and they don't consult doctors. This is very important, in my opinion. We should understand this issue is important. If we have better health in our mind, then we will have overall better health. It's it will be like it will also transform into better physical health as well. If you are not healthy in your mind, then it will become bad in every aspect of your life. So that is why it's important to take care of mental health is as well. We try to think that yes, my health starts in the mind too. So what do we do about it? So now we know that health is important. Health starts in the mind. First, we can take the first positive step that we always try to remain as a positive, right? Whenever we think, just try to be on the positive side, not on the negative side. Because if you be on the negative side, then what would you get, right? If you on the positive side, then maybe things will work for you. Second, that we try to manage our stress as well. We try to be better at it. So in that aspect, we will be better. Stress won't get to you. You won't get to us. So these are the two things that we can do. Summarizing this whole ill health begins in the mind. That sometimes health can be your mental too. We need to take care of our mind as well. Whenever we think we are in bad shape, then we need to consult the doctors and stay with a positive and healthy mind. Whenever we have stress, try to manage it well. Don't get through you. Thank you. That's all. Thanks for listening.